So, last couple days, I came through and I thinned out my rows of Sharons. So now I've got them spread out. Let's see how well we can show it in the line. But I moved small ones into the holes between the bigger ones, and I removed about 15 to 20 of them, and the little guys, those are the little ones. That's from the seeds of the big ones fell from last year. They started growing. Anyway, and I moved them all, the extras, down along this fence. So now I've got 3 years of growth in a line that just wasn't even there yesterday or the day before before it rained. The rain came through, watered it all in. It's beautiful. So that's that. The bamboo. Don't know if you can see the shoots, but boing, they're coming out big time. Still looks a little dead because of the winter, but there are shoots sticking out there that are already as long as the ones from last year. Check. Look at that guy. That has grown in the last week, and this one was from last fall. So the pattern I've noticed with this here Fargesia robusta is every year in the spring it recovers and puts out stuff that's about the same size as it was the year before. And then in August is when the big new stuff comes out. So right now it's in a recovery stage. I don't know if you can see here, but there's like 8 or 9 stalks coming out the side right there. You can see in the middle there's stuff in the middle coming right up. So that's brand new. That's brand new. So she's coming back really nice. In fact, this one here is probably taller than any of the other ones. Just poking at the top. But anyway, so I am very confident that this plant is alive and healthy, despite its scraggly nature at the moment. In a couple of weeks, that thing's going to be green everywhere, once again. And my plan is to probably cut off about a third of it, yeah, and then make plug 3 plants out of that, stick them in the greenhouse, and away we'll go, making more Fargesia robusta bamboo. Okay, thank you for listening to me. Please subscribe and look for updates and tell all your friends about me. I'm the guy that built that stupid greenhouse out of pallets. Okay, talk to me. Put some messages in my comments, please. Goodbye.